Hi guys. So today I'm gonna show you a project I just did. I was watching this YouTuber, and her name is Maria Small Art. I think she done tons of media art. So it gave me some kind of idea, and I was like, okay, that's interesting, because I've been trying different things right now. I was doing cards, I was looking at different technique of card, and also I was doing junk journal, but I always do one thing, then I kind of get stuck, and then I feel like I'm doing something else. So right now I feel like I'm doing junk journal covers, all that stuff. Now it's like mixed media collage. So this is supposed to be a junk journal cover. So I was like, oh, I was watching her video. I got some inspired by her. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna create something, but because junk journal, so I'm trying to get something from junk basically, and all my material is recycled material. All the stuff I got from, you can see, I keep the packages from Amazon, and then I keep the package from one of the UPS, not UPS, post office package. I thought this is actually pretty durable, so I keep it. I think it's nice to be a cover in terms of material, like soft cover, but then it's kind of ugly, obviously. And then I was just trying to do something. So material I used was the acrylic paint I got from Michael's, and obviously I got some purple from Ting Hall Distress Spray, and 3 color kind of mixed with it together. And then I use Ting Hall sticker I got actually a couple years ago. Still have some. And then yeah, that's it. It's just kind of, and then I had mostly stuff I used was recycled paper scraps. All these is the paper. Paper. This one I actually got from let me see. This I got recently, so I stamped some of it, and then I just bought like yesterday, maybe. Yeah, yesterday. So I was trying on it. So I would use the scratch paper trying it, and then I was like, okay, maybe I should just teal it and then put it there, and then some of my previous tea dye papers for junk journal, and then these was from the package. I kind of just trying to teal off, keep the craft color. So yeah, basically it's all from junk. And then all these circles was die cut. Previously, I tried my die cut machine when I bought it. I die cut a bunch of things, and I don't know what used to it because it wasn't right color for the cards. Because originally it was for card, so I just saved it. I didn't throw it away, and now I felt like I can use that. And then I have some book pages, kind of like glued it, and then some scraps here, some scraps there, here. So there's a couple layers actually. That's why there's different color, because some are like purple colors. Basically it's 2 color, a little bit purple and brownish, and that's all to it. So yeah, but I don't know, because this is my almost like first project. I did before, because this is very objective. I don't know if it's really good looking or something. I know there's so many people doing YouTube looks so nice. So this is haven't really dried, but eventually it should be like this. And then I'll cover inside too, and then eventually I have to glue it a little bit more, but eventually that would be a junk journal cover once it's all dried out. It's not fully dry out yet. I don't know, it's maybe too big. No idea. But yeah, it's something. So please leave your comments and suggestions. See what you think of this project, if you're interested in it, or any suggestions. I definitely like have more different colors maybe. Not try to make it too junky, you know. And eventually I'll cut these too. We'll see. Well, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel if you think this is interesting. I'll post some videos as often as possible. Ciao.